The surface hide brush is very descriptive because as you begin brushing, it will hide that portion of the mesh. One thing to note is in the view menu, if backface culling is checked, then as you rotate to the back side of the model, you'll find that this part actually is not hidden. 3D Coat is just hiding from the camera the faces on the back side, but in the 3D viewport, this is still visible. Okay, let's go ahead and uncheck backface culling. And you can see that the only thing it did hide was what was visible to the camera. Let's uncheck ignore backfaces in the ePanel. And in the geometry menu, let's go ahead and unhide all. Let's try another example. When I hit the E key to bring the ePanel to me, I'll choose the close spline. I want to rotate about my model a little bit here. I'll hit escape to drop the initial creation of the spline, and I want to make sure backface culling is unchecked. Make sure ignore backfaces is also unchecked, and hit the enter key. Now it will hide all the way through the model. Let's hit escape to drop the spline. Let me undo. Now when I hit the enter key, hit escape to drop the spline. Let's say you happen to have a section that is hidden that you didn't necessarily want to hide. What I can do is create another spline here, or just use something like the freeform lasso. I'm going to hold down the control key and drag around that part. And it unhides just that portion, but it hides the part that I actually wanted to hide. If I want to invert this hidden portion, I can go to the geometry menu and invert hidden. Let's go back to the geometry menu, unhide all. If you want, you can delete the hidden. And that's a quick look at the surface hide brush in 3D Coat Sculpt environment. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.